All right, so the graph function consists of two line segments and one segment from -2 to -1, 0. Let's plot that. -2 to -1, 0. And the second segment from -1, 0 to 1, 2. So, all right, so there's your function f. Graph f, we did that, and use the graph to draw the graph of the inverse function. So the inverse function, here's how the inverse function. So do the inverse. Okay, what did we do? We do the inverse earlier. Remember, we just switch x and y. Switch x and y. So the inverse is you're going to have -2, -2. That's not going to change. So -2, -2 would just be -2, -2, the inverse of that. -1, 0, the inverse of that would be 0, -1. Okay. And it's the same thing there. It's just the same point. And then 1, 2, the inverse of that would be 2, 1. Okay, so all you do to find the inverse is just take your coordinate and just flip them. Switch x and y. So -2, -2, 0 on the x, -1 on the y, -1, 0, 0, -1, 0, -1, and then 1, 2 to 2, 1. Okay. So 1, 2 to 2, 1. I'll do like a dash there. I don't know how to differentiate that. Okay, because that one there, you already have a solid one. I could just do the pen, but so the f, that's f inverse of x right there, the dash one, and then f of x is that one. So that's how you do the inverse function.